discussed about text format. And what are the controls we have seen? Paragraph, div, and we have seen center tag, and we have seen the align attribute, where align will be having the values as right, left, center, specify. And apart from that, we have seen node here as well. And apart from this all, we have seen background properties also. What are the properties we have seen? BG color, next background equal to image URL. Third one is BG properties equal to fixed. Okay, what are the types of URLs we can form in the background in that time? First one, if the image is stuck in the separate folder, then we will go for copying the URL of the folder / the image name dot extension video. There I have done one observation. If it is JPG or JPG, for both you just use JPG only, or it will not work. Okay, and rest of it you can use .gif, .png, .dmt, anything you can use. There was no issue on that one. Okay, and apart from that, we have also seen like BG properties. What is the use of BG properties? For fixing the background, for example, if you have a smaller background and if it is being scrolling down, if you have more data horizontally or vertically, then the background also will be scrolling. So it will be repeating. Background portion will be repeating. To avoid that one, to make sure that only the data is moving, we will use the BG properties equal to fixed. And one more situation also we have seen. What is the reason to go for BG color even though we have background? If your application is being available for the people and if they are not having a proper internet connection, okay, then in such situation your application will not download immediately. It will download slowly. See how the download will happen? Very simple. Your HTML file, first of all, it will be available in the server. It will have some data, okay, this is in text format. Okay, so that each and every file will have some size. Okay, see here the size is like we have our application. You can see this one. So how much KB? 1 KB. If there is more images, for example, in layout example, you can see I have used 5 KB. So and in some programs it will be more based on the images what you have used, based on the colors what you have used. Do you understand? The size rate of the file also will increase. So because in home page if you are having more images or more colors, then your size will be increased, the file size will be increased. If you have internet connection very slow, what will happen? Imagine you have only 512 kbps, okay, per second or something. In such situation, even some 256 kbps you will have in mobile or somewhere. In such situation, it may take some time to load the page. How it will work? It will get the very simple logic. How web server will work? If you use the request, web server will take and it will give you the file which you are expecting in the text format to the browser. Then browser will convert that entire code into HTML and it will present. In between, like if the server is slow, then it will take some delay. So by the time it will not be that it is slow. So you are giving a matching color for the background. Okay. So this is about background or layout concept. And today we will discuss about link. Okay, HTML link. What is in the HTML link or hyperlink? Link which is useful to navigate from one page to another page. For example, you are having some website, Google only you can take. In Google, if you want to go to Google Drive, what you will do? If you click on the apps button on the top, you will get lot of options like apps, Google Play, Drive, etc. Okay, so in such situations, if you want to navigate from one place to another place, okay, what you are using a link. If you click on link, it will take you to another page or within the same page. Okay, that is one situation. Sometimes if you click on the image, we will go to somewhere like that kind of link also will be there. Do you understand my point? Not only on the text, sometimes if you click on the image also, automatically it will take you to another place. Do you people see? In lot of websites. Okay, that is one situation. And using in some of the websites, contact us or something will be there, right? If you go for some of the doctor's websites of the contact us, within the contact us page they will be giving their mobile number, email, all. If you click on email, did you ever observe what will happen? Direct to? Yes. Where? Email address only. Where? In the Outlook it will open. Did you people ever seen that one? I will tell you that one. In software websites and all, the reader, the contactor, sales, that kind of mails will be there. As soon as you click on that one, it will take you to the Outlook. It's nothing but it is telling that please send us a mail if you have any query. Whatever there is, not only hard mail. See, for example, I will tell you that things where we will get more mail. If you are having any dynamic transaction, credit card transaction, then they will give you, they will fill out your mail, and finally in the mail or in the website they will keep. If you have any query, please contact us on this mail. Okay? So what you need to do, you need to copy and you need to paste in the email. Yes or no? Rather than that, if you click on that mail, it will open a Outlook. What is Outlook? Okay, I will tell you what is Gmail. Actually, Gmail is, sorry, not Gmail, Outlook. Outlook is some tool for maintaining your Excel server mail. It can be Gmail, Hotmail, Live Mail, any mail. It can be your company mail, anything which you can maintain in offline. See, I have one question. Gmail, you have 1,000 emails there. Okay? If you have internet connection only, you can be able to occupy. Yes or not? But if you integrate with Outlook, the 1,000 mails can download to your machine. Are you understanding? 1,000 mails can download to your machine and you can view it in offline. Okay? And if you connect to online, it will sync up whatever the new mails have there. All will sync up. Do people understand? So what is the advantage of going for Outlook means to work on the offline. No need to lose your data. And you can take the backup of the data separately. So that is a tool which is where it will be available in the MS Office. So what you can do for your practice purpose from now onwards, please install Gmail, configure Gmail within your, tomorrow or after tomorrow I will give our happy solution email to everybody. Okay, you can configure within your Outlook. Because from now onwards, please try to improve mailing skills also. That's why it will be good for you. Okay, in real time we will use only Outlook. We will not use the browser. For your information, we will not use the browser. Because browser will be working only if there is internet connection, but Outlook is not like that. Even if you lost connection also, all of the previous mails will be come and will be fit in the Outlook. Do you understand? Okay, so that is also one kind of link I am telling. First link what I have told is giving the link to the text to navigate from one page to another page or to navigate from one page to same page. Sometimes it will also happen, right? Okay, on the same page itself a new page will open. If you want to open a new within the new tab, then we can do something. Okay, so that is one kind of navigation. Second one is, if you click on image, sometimes it will take you to somewhere. Is that not? Okay, third one is, if you click on mail, it should take you to the Outlook. Okay, fourth one, in the same page only you should navigate. If you click on something, it should go down. Yes, very good. Wikipedia. In Wikipedia, if you go and open, I will show you. And even in some websites, if you go to the below, go to top. They will have one mark, right? Scroll to top. And if you think scroll to top or go to top. Yeah. So if you click automatically, it will go and it will go to the top. It's nothing but you are navigating in the same page. Okay, that is one kind of navigation. Okay, and one more thing. See image, okay, that I will tell you later. Okay, just give me, I will correct my internet connection, I will show you all examples. What are the types of links you are going to learn now? You type link on image, it's opening on the same page. Nothing but you are linking to your page. Are you understanding? Yes. If I click on this one, it will open here, sometime just give me 1 minute, I will log in, then you can see the okay. You see here, I'm just clicking on this one for getting an. Now I'm clicking on Google Plus. What is happening? It's opening in another tab. So if you can understand, opening in the same page, opening in the other tab. Okay, then one more thing. This is an image, right? Yes or no? If I click on this one, I am going to some page. Okay, maybe this image only. Okay, this you can take. If I click on this image, it's going to somewhere, it's loading. It's nothing but it's also one kind of linking. Do you people understand? Here, this is the image, right? If I click on this one, it is taking me to the Google Plus page. This is one kind of link. Linking on the same page, linking to the another page, linking to same page or another page by using image. Hyperlink you can give to two things here. One is text, one more is image. The link can go to same page or it can go to another page. That's what I am going to show. Okay, and apart from that all, if you see, if I go for contact and see, what will happen? Here, did you people see? I have written something. You can mail us for inquiries or contact us or something. If I click on this, what will happen now? Automatically, I don't want the people to copy and paste into the email or anywhere. Generally, I am telling in real time and all, everybody will use Outlook. The reason I have told. Why means the mails will be available in the offline. We can use it for the future purpose. Okay, that's the reason each and every company, the person who is working in the company will have the email account in the online. Okay, for example, Hayati Solution. I have my account in the online email, but still I will go for configuring it in the offline. But whenever you connect to online, it will download on, and if you have an internet connection, it will send the email every time. So where it will be office, yes, Outlook. So first, if this want to work now, you should log in with Outlook. You should configure your mail in the Outlook. I have configured what IRTSolutions.com mail I have configured. So even you can configure Gmail also. Did you understand my point? So what is the advantage of this kind of link means? So reduce the time of the customer. The customer don't want to copy this email, he don't want to go to mail, news, he don't want to do all those stuff. Did you people understand? So very simply, if they click, they can able to open it in the Outlook. Directly what they can do, they can just use the text, subject, everything, whatever they want. Did you people understand? Okay, the same way. If they want to send something to the sales system, yes. Okay, and I have kept something in the practice of sales, saying that you can see sales at the rate of IRTSolutions regarding internship. Automatically, I only added by default. Did you people understand? Okay, and now I am going for tool management designing or tool management system software. Here I have given some other things. Contact us for demo. they are in school system then. I am only purifying, I am just making their time save. Did you understand? People understand that? Okay. So this is one kind of link. This is one kind of link. So all we will see now practical. Okay. So almost everything we have completed. Image we have completed. This image which we have completed. Okay. And text we have seen all. Okay. Now only thing we need to learn is CSS, cascading circuit, and table. The main one is table. Tomorrow I will take table class. Don't miss tomorrow class. Table is very, very important. Okay, I will develop the file which demonstrates about link. Here we will go for link. For example, I will give you one link. So what is the link? The tag is called hyperlink. This tag is called hyperlink. That's why it is hyperlink. So it is useful for linking the navigation from one page to another. Okay. What we need to do is like for image we are giving source like SRC. For image, what is the main tag to display the the image is IMG, SRC, SR no? We have seen IMG tag, right? They don't know. I have told IMG tag. IMG space SRC equal to the path. Okay. They have not told us. In first class I have told that. Okay, today I will tell you. Again I will tell you. HREF. For example, so where I need to go, for example, I will give you HTTP browser. Okay, now I am going and refreshing this page. Am I getting anything? No, because I will tell you the reason. You have given the hyperlink. For what you have given? Nothing. You haven't specified anything, right? You are telling that if you click on that one, it should go to somewhere. But did you specify on which you are going to click? No. Okay. If you click on this one, automatically it will go to the. Okay. Now, I don't want my business to be stopped by the other website. Do you understand? Very simple example. I am in Gmail. Gmail is my main business now here. Now, I don't want the people to open this YouTube or anything on my system. Do people understand? Why it is not allowing? If I go for Google, on the same page, if I click on YouTube, on the same page it is opening. Did you understand? But why it is not opening here like that? Will you people tell me? Nothing but Gmail is its business. It wants to improve its business. Did you understand? So that's the reason it's not allowing any other link which is the same tab. Because they don't want to stop their business only. Very simply I tell you, you are browsing something if you get one link, if open on your same tab, that is what you are not, you are yourself, you are stopping your application. You are redirecting the people to another one. If they like, they will be looking onto the website only. If people understand my thing, okay, it's not kind of business practice. They don't want their page to be overwritten to another page, and they don't want their business to be stopped. So whatever is happening, when you will go for example, now see, I am clicking on inbox. It's opening on the same page. I am clicking on sent email. It's opening on the same page. Why? It's all belongs to their business, so they don't want to keep it in another page. Did you understand the thing? Okay. But now here, even though it belongs to Google also, all belongs to Google only. But even though Gmail is Gmail, YouTube is YouTube. Okay. Now I am clicking on Mac. It will not open here because you go on opening another tab, it will tell like that. But what about in the case of Google? Why they are opening all in the same page? That is all of their business. Let them do whatever they want to do. If I click on Google Play, it will open on the same page only. Many people understand it will open on the same page only. Because like it's all our their business. They want any business to be done. If you understand Google is the main business, they are ready to allow you to do any business. But here Gmail, they want you to look into their business only. They don't want to look into some other. If you want to look, open in another tab. Okay, but in their business is not. So that is the reason. I mean, we will go for two types of hyperlinks. One is opening the page in the same page, okay, on the parent, or opening it in the another tab. Did people understand? So how to make that one open in the another page in the sense? Now as of now, if I refresh, it is opening on the same page. Correct enough? To make sure that to open it in the another page, we have a property called target. Find it. Target equal to here. Target equal to underscore simple property. If I use this one, what will happen? If I go on this way, yes, it's open a new tab only. It haven't disturbed my see, you can see I'm clicking again, it's opening a new tab. Okay? If you understand the hyperlink, you can give for the text. It's not only Hayati, anything you can give. So, yeah, you can give the hyperlink for anything. Next. Okay, do you understand, right? Opening on the same tab means you need to use AHR equal to something. If you want to open in the some other tab means you need to use target equal to underscore blank. Okay, next. We will go for giving the link to the email. So instead of taking the break, what we can do, we can take view, right? End this. Yeah. Okay, now here I want to show you image here. How to show ANVSRC. It's like what we have done for the background. Background equal to some URL you have given, right? To show the background layer. In the same way, if you want to show some image on the page means what is the tag you need to use? IMG tag. Here the second tag I am introducing after hyperlink. IMG tag. Okay? Why this is not having the ending tag means end tag is specified like this? Because it is not directly showing any content. It is showing only image. So in such situation you don't need to go for end IMG. This is the only you can use. So you know again the URL you can get in 3 ways. The way how you have done for the background in the same way. For example, slide 1. Slide 1. How can you find the exception? If you keep the mouse here, JPG, even you can see here, or you can see here, or even in the properties you can Okay, so getting the bigger one. I don't want this one. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll go for the first folder. Line 4. If it is first folder, if it is another folder, it's fully validated. Okay, it's looking very big. So, can we reduce the height and width? Yes. So, what is the property? Height is equal to something. For example, I am giving 200 pixels. This is equal to 300. Okay. If I click on this one, it should go to somewhere. So what we can do, the same way how you have written the hyperlink, but not to the text. Did you understand? In between whatever you write, so all hyperlinks will be available. Do you people understand? What I have done? Yes. HREF. NDA. You see, I have given hyperlink to what? Image now. Here in this case, I have given hyperlink to text. Here I have given hyperlink to image. Now see, in this case, if I click, it will open in the same tab. If you want that to be open in another tab, target equal to underscore plan. Is it clear? In every browser it will go. Okay, but coming to the older browser, what will happen? If you give hyperlink, the image will get bordered. The image will be here for text you are getting some color, right, with underline after hyperlink. The same kind of effect you will get for image. So to avoid that one, what you need to write? When we will go for this border equal to 0 means if the time of giving the hyperlink for the image. If you are not giving hyperlink for the image means you don't need to use the border equal to 0. Why I am giving border equal to 0 means sometimes it will give you this kind of effect here. Not in all browsers. In some browsers it will give you this effect. Okay, border. Okay, this effect will be added for the image. So to avoid that one, what we can do? We can go for border. Maybe here it was not showing, but if you go for lower version of the browser, it will show the border for the image. So to avoid that one, you can add the border. Okay, here also same thing. If you make this target equal to underscore blank, this image also will open this source, this URL within another tab. Did you understand? Okay, this is how we can give links for the text and image. And next, one more thing. I have Outlook images. Okay, I will show you some of the images which I am getting from some bank. See here, Axis Bank. I am getting my statement and all of those things I am getting into my page. And if you look here they have given something. One, persons and information. Okay, this is for application, online form. This is for sending the mail. What is happening? If I click on this one, automatically in Gmail, it's opening the new mail. It's just something. You understand? Okay, this is being controlled by the Gmail.